Bullish Ontology cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 97 cents and $1.84 by 2030. Market investigators accept ONT could reach 75 cents by 2025. Bearish Ontology market cost expectation for 2023 is 17 cents. Ontology presentation. We will examine future Ontology value expectation and proposition the market's forecasts for ONT in this. How about we get rolling at this point? Before we dive into the Ontology cost figure and address worries about regardless of whether ONT is a wise speculation, why ONT will succeed or fizzle, or why the cost of Ontology will increment or diminishing, we should momentarily investigate what ONT is and its set of experiences doing this point. What is Ontology? The business world has been discussing a thought that might bring about a stage that is very dependable for a really long time. A stage that can assist with keeping up with the information saved as well as secure and safeguard it from any risks, both genuine and envisioned. The challenges confronting the monetary area brought about blockchain innovation, which turned out to be progressively notable, especially according to the decentralized money area. The formation of the ONT organization by a gathering of Chinese digital money experts in 2017 has simply demonstrated to be useful given the rising prominence of copious resources. The capability of two originators, Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang, created this wonder of ONT organization. The Ontology project looks to act as a scaffold between the universes of fiat and computerized money, where the overall population's degree of certainty is essential. A conveyed distinguishing proof framework with an emphasis on superior execution. Disseminated information trade and collaboration, and dispersed technique conventions are a portion of the advantages of the Ontology project. It joins unmistakable networks, dispersed verification, and an adaptable winding of calculation modules that are restricted to specific organizations. Thus, it turned into a crypto behemoth that makes the best and most reliable organizations, coordinates an assortment of cross-chain frameworks, and keeps up with itself as a stable crypto enterprise for use in applications across all businesses and gadgets. Ontology is a main supplier of DeFi, installment, and decentralization answers for the monetary and computerized enterprises. Ontology as of late reported a participation with APLLC, a music web-based feature, Rocky, Microworkers, and Glossary, one of the superior planting products, staple online business firms, to grow its applications. Ontology specialized examination. Bollinger Groups show that the unpredictability has risen and that the cost is as of now exchanging over the upper band, highlighting a bullish viewpoint. Bullish force is additionally being demonstrated by specialized pointers. The RSI is at 76 and has crossed the overbought marker, recommending very bullish energy. Moreover, exchanging over the sign line is the MACD line, showing bullish energy. Generally speaking, every one of the signs are in the coin's approval, and the current cost levels are great for brokers and financial backers to store the coin and clutch it until its qualities basically arrive at the most extreme worth of $1 limit again. Ontology current cost. Ontology is at present worth 21 cents USD. ONT has moved 1.34% as of now with an exchanging volume of $28,272,839. Ontology is at present positioned 158 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $192,243,865 USD. Using the general strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Ontology to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Ontology market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ontology Value Expectation 2023 Ontology, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The ONT cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 32 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 30 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. ONT is supposed to have a base worth of 25 cents. Ontology Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024. Ontology ONT cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ONT will before long outperform 54 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the ONT's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ONT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 43 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 47 cents. Ontology Value Expectation 2025. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 75 cents and ONT might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ONT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 69 cents and a low of 64 cents in 2025. Ontology Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Ontology effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the ONT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ONT will be green in 2026. The ONT is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 97 cents, with a base cost of 86 cents and a typical cost of 90 cents. Ontology Value Forecast 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ONT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.12 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.08 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ONT has a most extreme value worth of $1.19. Ontology Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.34. In the event that ONT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.41. Neglecting to assemble the help ONT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.30. Ontology Value Expectation 2029. While ONT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.51 and a yearly cost close above $1.62 in 2029. Ontology Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Ontology will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.73 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.84, averaging out at $1.77. Ontology Value Expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ONT cost in 2031 is projected to be $2.12 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.03. And it appears since that the cost of ONT would not long from now take off, as indicated by our projections. What is the Ontology cost today? Is Ontology a wise venture? Ontology ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is savvy to say that ONT is a decent decision of venture. How high could Ontology at any point go? The typical cost of Ontology might perhaps reach 30 cents this year. Throughout the following 5